this video, we show you one of the best model available in the market today. We will provide you with the key features and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Introducing the EGO 21-inch Lawn Mower, powered by the industry's first and most advanced 56-volt lithium-ion battery that delivers the torque of gas. Customize your cut with ease. Changing the deck height or handle position is as simple as pressing a lever. Featuring an all-new 5.0 amp-hour battery that runs up to 45 minutes on a single charge. Headlights and the whisper-quiet motor let you mow at any hour that's convenient. The fully sized 21-inch mower is weather-resistant and backed by a 5-year warranty. The EGO Power Plus battery is part of a system and can be used on any EGO tool for maximum versatility and value. And when it's done, EGO's patented handle design folds flat in seconds for easy cleaning and storage. Revolutionize the way you do yard work with the industry's top-rated cordless platform of tools. EGO, power beyond belief.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.